Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to look at some unequal sharing word problems with worked examples. So we are going to look at 4 types of unequal sharing word problems today. The first type is explicit unequal sharing. It is straightforward. It's as easy as A, B, C. Now, if you are not clear on the process of unequal sharing, then you must look at this video before you try to attempt the word problems in this video. So go back to this one. The link is in the description. Go back to that one, and then you can proceed to look at this video. So type 1. Share $144 between Aidan and Kai such that Aidan receives $48 more than Kai. We know it's unequal sharing because someone is receiving more money than the other person. So this is how we are able to identify that it's actually unequal sharing. So we underline important words and details. We lay out our problem, Aidan, Kai. Step 1, subtract the difference. 144 subtract 48 leaves us with $96. That's step 1 of unequal sharing. Next, we divide accordingly. When we say divide accordingly, we divide depending on the number of equal shares. So here we have to share between Aidan and Kai. That's 2 people. So we divide the remainder by 2. We are left with 48. Now, I don't want to see you all dividing like this, right? We divide it as shown on the screen here. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 9, 4, remainder 1, 2 into 16, 8. Good. So once we divide, that's our equal share. So Aidan and Kai, they both have the same amount so far. Remember, at some point, they will both have the same amount of money. Now, we are giving Aidan $48 more than Kai. So Aidan has $48 plus another $48. So here I have some classwork for you all. You're expected to copy down the word problem. Yes, you must write them down for revision purposes. So work through these. If you have any issues, feel free to comment down below. So let's move on to the second type of unequal sharing. This is where they give us some specific numbers, some specific amounts. So type 2. Don, Sleepy, and Lulu have 730 stickers. Don has 7 more than Lulu, and Sleepy has 5 more than Don. If Sleepy sold each of his stickers for $3, how much money did he earn? Now let's see how we can tell, or how can we identify that this problem is actually unequal sharing. We know that it's unequal sharing because someone is receiving more than the other. Don has 7 more than Lulu. Sleepy has 5 more than Don. That's unequal sharing. Underline important words and details. That's a must. So when we have this type of unequal sharing problem, I would like you to start with the person who has the smallest share, right? So as we read this word problem, Don has more than someone. Sleepy also has more than someone. So both Don and Sleepy have more than somebody else. Therefore, Lulu is the only one who doesn't have more than someone else. So we start with Lulu. We give her an empty box because we don't yet know how many stickers she has. So we are starting off with Lulu because she has the smallest share. Next, we have Don. Now, the reason why we wrote Don second is because Lulu and Don are being compared. Their amounts they are being compared in this word problem. Don has 7 more than Lulu, right? So we give Don exactly what Lulu has. We give him that empty box as well. However, He has 7 more than Lulu, right? Don had the same empty box that Lulu had, but we are giving him 7 more according to the word problem. Next, the person with the greatest share, the largest share, Sleepy. Now, what does the word problem tell us? The word problem says Sleepy has 5 more than Don. So we give him exactly what Don has, box plus 7. However, we give him 5 more. Now, this is important. So let's go back again. We start with the person who has the smallest share. The word problem is showing us that Don has more than someone and Sleepy has more than someone. So we start with Lulu. Lulu is first. We give her an empty box. We don't know how much she has. How many, sorry. Next, we go to Don because Don and Lulu share, they are being compared. Don has 7 more than she has. So we gave him the empty box plus 7. Then we go to Sleepy. They are comparing Don's share with Sleepy's share. So Sleepy has empty box plus 7 plus an additional 5 stickers. Now, in the previous example, they told us what the difference was. In this one, we need to find out what that difference is before we can subtract it. Now, we have an extra portion of 7, 7, and 5. So the extra portion that we must subtract would be 19. So we subtract the difference. The total number of stickers is 730. We take away 19 stickers and we are left with 711 stickers. Step 2, divide accordingly. Now remember, we divide according to the number of equal shares. So we are not dividing by 3 because there are 3 people here, Lulu, Don, and Sleepy. No, 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 no. We divide by the equal number of shares. There are 3 shares. You see, we see 3 empty boxes. So we divide by 3 because we know that the same number is going to be written in each of those boxes. So 711 stickers divided by 3 leaves us with 237 stickers. So we notice that 237 was placed in each box. Now, what is the problem asking us? It says, if Sleepy sold each of his stickers for $3, how much money did he earn? So we focus now our attention on Sleepy. We are not going to waste time finding out how many stickers Don has and how many Lulu. No, 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 no. Right? We have limited time and we need to focus on what the problem is asking of us. So Sleepy sold each of his stickers for $3. How much money did he earn? In order for us to figure out how much money Sleepy earned, what do we need to find out first? We need to know the total number of stickers that Sleepy had in the first place. So 237 plus 7 plus 5. That gives us 249 stickers. So Sleepy has 249 stickers in all. Now, what do we do with that 249? Well, the problem told us that he sells them. Oh, sorry. He sold them for $3 each. Now, one problem that some of my students had, they divided 249 by 3. But let's look at this pattern that we have over here. One sticker gives me $3. If I sell 2 stickers, that's $3 2 times. So that's 3 times 2, that's $6. If I sell 3 stickers, that is $3 3 times. 3 times 3, that's 9. Therefore, I do not have to divide. I have to multiply to figure out how much money I will earn. So 249 stickers, that's 249 times. So Sleepy has earned $747. Now, rewind the video if there's anything that's unclear. Rewind the video and make sure that you understand the steps properly. Again, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below and I will respond to you. So here is your classwork for type 2, second type of unequal sharing word problem. You are expected to copy down the problem for revision purposes. Now let's look at a third type of unequal sharing. At a concert, the number of men is twice the number of women. If 918 men and women attended, spelling error, I apologize. If 918 men and women attended, how many men were there? Underline important words and details. Now, in this type of unequal sharing word problem, you realize that we don't have a specific number. There is not a specific number, but they are telling us that the number of men is twice. What does twice mean? What does twice tell us? Like the previous example, we start with the group that has the smallest share. Well, in this case, the smaller share. So women, we give women an empty box, 1 share. Now, the number of men is twice, therefore there are more men. So we give the men 2 shares. So the women, we have 1 share. The number of men is twice the number of women. So we give men 2 shares. Therefore, we divide 918 by 3. Now you realize we're not dividing by 2 because it's 2 groups. We always divide by the number of equal shares. There are 3 equal shares here. So 306 goes in each of the boxes. Now the problem asks, how many men were there? What must we do to figure out how many men there were? We add 306 plus 306, or 306 multiplied by 2. Here is your classwork. You are expected to copy down the word problems for revision purposes. Let's move on to the 4th type of unequal sharing. Of course, there's more, but let's look at 4 types for today. So here is our example. A book costs $5 more than a pen. Michaela bought 3 books and 2 pens and paid a total of $30. Calculate the cost of each item. Each item. Underline important words and details. Step 1, we have to determine what is that difference. Are we going to say 30 take away 5? Is that what we must do? Is $5 the difference, the extra portion? All right, let's look at this. Michaela bought 3 books. The books cost $5 more than a pen. Each book costs $5 more than a pen. So that is 5 3 times because there are 3 books. So you can't say 30 subtract 5. No. You can't do that. There are 3 books. So that is an extra $5 for the first book, an extra $5 for the second book, and an extra $5 for the third book. That's 5 3 times. So the difference, the actual difference is actually $15 because there were 3 books that were bought. So now we proceed. Subtract the difference. $30 take away $15, not 5. $15. Divide accordingly. Now, I had a number of students divide by 2 because there were 2 items mentioned, books and pens. No. We divide by the number of equal shares. The remainder that is there, that $15, that has to be shared among how many objects, how many items? 5 items, 3 books and 2 pens. So you must share that according to the number of equal shares. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Right? Divide by the number of equal shares. Always divide by the number of equal shares. So 5 into 15, 3. That $15 is distributed among these 5 objects, these 5 items. But we know something about the books. Remember, we subtracted the difference. The difference was $15, and each book is $5 more. So now we redistribute that $15. $5 by the first book, $5 by the second book, $5 by the third book. So each book would be 3 plus 5, which is $8, and each pen will be $3. Here is your classwork. I have, let me see how many problems I gave you all for this one. I think I gave you all, right, 3 problems for type 4. 3 problems for type 4. So you'll go through these problems, copy them down, go through them. If you need to rewind the video, do so. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, any queries. Bye.